Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you all how to make this very simple breakfast quesadilla. This is very indulgent, very tasty and very quick to put together. Everyone is definitely going to love this. I hope you just sit quietly and watch this video till the end, okay? First, I would dice up some spring onion. I'm making use of spring onion because it is my personal preference. You can opt for bell peppers or carrots, okay? I also found out that spring onion always take the taste to another level and it also adds to the crunch, which I really love. You can just try it out and trust me, you will love it. Next, I'm going to dice up some onion and I'm using white onion because I found out it is so tasty when it comes to this recipe. Trust me, I've tried a lot of variants when it comes to this breakfast quesadilla and I really love this recipe, hence I'm sharing it with you all. So try and make use of white onion, okay? It just adds this taste to this breakfast. Next would be some hard tomato. Always opt for the hard tomato, okay? Just dice that up and set aside as well. Next would be some chicken breasts. You can opt for beef, you can use some turkey, you can go for ram, bacon, sausages, anyone at all. Fish is fine. Just do you, okay? After that, I said I would season up with some seasoning cubes, salt, and pepper powder. So I'm using chicken seasoning because I'm working with chicken. So if you're using beef, please do well to work with beef seasoning. It always helps to build the flavors, okay? Mix that together and set aside. You can just do this and marinate overnight. It is totally fine, okay? But if you work with it immediately, it will also come out nice. Next would be to grate some cheese and I'm using mozzarella cheese. If you don't like cheese, please by all means keep it. But if you love it, add in as much as you love to and you can also use other kinds of cheese. Now in a bowl, I would crack in 3 eggs and then I would season lightly. So I seasoned with just some pepper powder and then I gave that a good whisk and set aside. Now in a pan, I'm going to heat up some oil and butter. The butter always adds a very rich flavor to this breakfast and trust me, it is a game changer. I went in with the white onion, spring onion as well, and then stir on that and allow to fry for about a minute or two or until the flavors are being released. Add in the chicken breast, stir on this and allow to cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now the chicken is ready, I would go in with the diced tomatoes, season up with some chicken seasoning, salt and pepper powder. I would stir on that and allow to fry for about 3 to 4 minutes. The sauce is ready at this point. If you're making more than one wrap, you can now split the sauce into the amount of wraps you want to make. Go in with the whisk egg and then you add in the cheese. At this point, ensure that your heat is on medium low. Then after adding in the cheese, you now cover with the wrap. Press that and allow to cook for about a minute. Cover with a lid or a plate and then flip that to the other side. Now you can add in more mozzarella cheese and the spring onion as well. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, tap the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video, and drop your comments below as well. Fold that in half and allow to heat up for about a minute, and our breakfast quesadilla is ready. I hope you all get to give this one a try. Bye guys!